Hello everyone, this is Steven with SG Saber Design, and today I have an SP Sabers SP Sabers Low Ground. Yes, this is all chrome or steel polished. It's a nice heavy saber, but it is a fingerprint magnet. Every single touch I've been wiping off with my cloth while I'm getting this ready to demo. So let's go over this. Omar sent this in for install. So I designed the chassis for this. Do have a blade plug, Omar. It does fit in just fine. However, this metal section here, when it gets inside there, it's very difficult to get back out. And there's no way to poke it out until you open it up and slide it out. So I'm just going to leave that out for right now. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have, it's a 2-button setup, it has 2 buttons, but it is a single button setup. The button is this slide switch here, the gold one. If you slide it forward, there's a click. Slide it backward, there's a click. 2 separate buttons, both wired to button 1. In Proffie, a single button config lets you do everything you need to do, whereas a 2-button config with only 1 button active at a time, or where you can't hit both buttons at the same time, is very limiting. So they are both separate switches, but currently wired to switch 1. If you ever decide you want a 2-button, it will be very easy to just unsolder one of the wires from button 1, move it over to button 2, and just reflash your config. Wouldn't suggest it, but it's possible. The other thing I want to mention is I do not have the vented pommel, so we're going to leave this in for a moment, but when I'm demoing, I'm probably just going to pull that off. So the way this is built, the chassis is locked onto this center section right here. The switch goes in there, so it's just locked on there. So it opens 2 places. The first place is this, the grip comes off, and we have room for our 18650 battery right here. Spring side negative, and it's up because it has to be under this lip. If the spring was down here and you came in like that, you'd be hitting, the battery would hit right here and wouldn't be able to go in. So this will go in like that, and it fits perfectly. We've got a Smugglers Outpost 28mm Elite speaker right here. Our Proffie 3.9 is right here, clipped in. You can easily get to your SD card, and you need a 90-degree data cable to get to that, but that's not a problem. And we have a high-amp kill switch right down here. So let's go ahead and put in a battery. Oops. And we can hit our power switch.
You're a warrior now, as I trained you to be.
Okay, and we'll go ahead and put this on. Now with the vented pommel on, it's very, very muffled. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Set that off to the side. And you see the difference. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down. To turn that down, you hold the button and do a clash.
Enter volume menu.
And then we just turn.
Exit volume menu.
Okay. So, look here. Got a Shtok V4 emitter. Twist on, twist off is active. And then we also have, let's go ahead and take a look up here. If you untwist the top section, we've got a nice crystal chamber up here.
General Kenobi. Lord Vader.
Generally, the way I've got it set up, that's going to be doing a heartbeat while the blade is off, and when the blade is turned on, it will be doing kind of a blade style flicker.
Ben Solo. Empress Palpatine. Count Dooku.
Tell me, is this training?
My training? Darth Maul. You are under arrest. General Anakin Skywalker.
Mercenary.
So we got a bunch of canon stuff, and then now we've got some free grayscale stuff on here. So let me go ahead and put the saber back together. And talk about putting a blade in. Okay, this takes a 7/8 inch blade. Now, your blade retention is under this and this. So to set your blade retention, you just twist that a little bit. And then, if you notice, there's a little divot right here. That goes over the actual grub screw. And then you can screw your eye back on. Now, this piece here also kind of sticks in a little ways. So if you don't get it in all the way, you might have to unscrew this, the brass or the chrome ring a little bit, and then get the blade in. So let's see if we got it. Okay. So we can scroll through our fonts, or if you want to go through faster, just hold the button,
Select preset.
for a couple seconds, and then you can do your twist.
Anakin.
And we're back to Anakin. So that is the SG Saber's Low Ground installed. Omar, if you have any questions, anything you want changed, please let me know. Otherwise, I will get this ready to ship. Everyone else, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the messages below. And if you have any sabers that need install or repair, please contact me, sgsaberdesign.etsy.com. Just leave a message there or send a message to me there, and I will get back to you. Thank you. Have a great day, and may the Force be with you.